Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kuldeep here, and today we are going to learn that how to fix this warning message that is unable to find version of CDP to use for 124.0. This is Chrome browser version installed on my system. So basically you will get this number depending on your Chrome browser version installed on your system. Okay. First I will show you like when this warning message comes, and then I will tell you how you can fix it up. Okay. So this is a simple Selenium program where I am launching the Chrome browser and opening the google.com inside it, and after that getting the title for the site. So let me execute it. So here you can see it has launched Chrome browser and open the google.com inside it. And if we go back to console, then you can see that there is some warning. So it says unable to find CDP implementation matching 124 and unable to find version of CDP to use for 124.0, and you will need to include a dependency on a specific version of CDP using something similar. And it is a sort of long message here, as it is just a warning. So basically it is not making any impact on your program, as well as it is not coming due to any issues in your code. Okay, so it is completely fine if you want to ignore it, but if you still want to fix it, then I am telling you like how we can fix it out. So let me open a Chrome browser here and simply right click, select this inspect option. So here you can see like there are a lot of tabs like element, console, sources, network, performance. So basically this is the DevTools, and Selenium provides the support for CDP APIs. CDP stands for the Chrome DevTools Protocol. Okay, and with help of those APIs we can extract the details from these apps as well. And now if I check my Chrome browser version, my Chrome browser version is 124.0, which means that CDP version on my system is 124. Okay, and if I check Selenium version on my system, so Selenium version on my system is 4.11.0. So the reason why this warning is coming, because my Selenium version, that is 4.11.0, is not supporting CDP version 124. Okay, and how we can check that Selenium 4.11.0 is not supporting CDP version 124? For that, actually we can go to Selenium GitHub. Select these tags, go to this releases, and come down. Here you can find the details for the latest Selenium version, that is 4.20.2. As we are working with the Java, so we need to select this Java option. Here you can see in Selenium version 4.20.0, they have clearly written that add CDP for the Chrome 124 and remove 121, which means if we want to get rid of this warning, so we need to update our Selenium version. Okay, so that is the one thing. And we can see like this CDP version are supported by the Selenium 11.0. So we need to come down, and here we can see so Selenium 4.11.0 is supporting these CDP versions that are 85, 113, 114 and 115. So if you don't want to get the warning message, then another option is that you can downgrade your browser version to any of these. Okay, but generally it is not recommended, and we don't downgrade our browser versions. So it's better that we need to update our Selenium version with the latest one. which is 4.20.0. So what I will do actually, I will just change it to 4.20.0, right? And simply save it. Alright. Once form.xml file is updated, then we need to go to our program again, and we can simply right click and run a Java application. Okay. So I think it is still downloading a couple of Java files here. Alright, it is done, and simply execute it now. Perfect. Let's go back to our console. We are not getting any kind of warning messages now. I hope you got the point here that how you can get rid of it. So you need to go to the Selenium Hub and find out which CDP version is supported by the Selenium version. So accordingly, you can update the Selenium version in your form.xml file, and after that you will not get CDP version warning messages. Okay friends, so that's it for today's video. I hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.